Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some exciting news. The Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro have finally been announced, and they are coming in at under $300. These two phones are set to shake up the mid-range market with their unique design, improved specifications, and competitive pricing. But should you actually consider buying one? That's exactly what we'll find out in this deep dive into the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro. We'll be covering everything, from design and display to performance, cameras, and software. So, let's get started. Nothing has always been known for its unique design language, and the Phone 3A series is no exception. The transparent back, glyph interface, and symmetrical aesthetics are all here, making these phones instantly recognizable. However, there are some key refinements. The Nothing Phone 3A now has a slightly more rounded frame for improved ergonomics, while the 3A Pro boasts a more premium aluminum build. Both models retain the signature Nothing LED glyph lights, which have been optimized for better customization and app integrations. The new design ensures that even at this price point, Nothing's phones continue to stand out in a sea of generic-looking devices. Both the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro come with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, featuring full HD Plus resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The brightness has been significantly improved, reaching up to 3000 nits peak brightness, ensuring excellent outdoor visibility. Uniform bezels continue to be a highlight, and Nothing has once again implemented an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. Compared to competitors in this price range, the display quality here is top-notch, making it perfect for media consumption, gaming, and day-to-day usage. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, delivering solid mid-range performance with an Antutu benchmark score of around 800K. This ensures smooth multitasking, social media scrolling, and even light gaming. Meanwhile, the 3A Pro gets a slightly more powerful Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, which offers better GPU performance, making it a great choice for gaming enthusiasts. While these phones are not flagship killers, they provide a balanced performance that suits the needs of most users. Nothing OS 3.0 is a key selling point of these phones. It brings an ultra-clean UI with no bloatware, smooth animations, and deeper AI integration. Features like AI-powered voice commands, a refined glyph interface, and a more customizable home screen experience make using these devices feel intuitive and fluid. Long-term software support is also expected, ensuring that these phones remain relevant for years to come. Cameras have often been a weak point in previous Nothing phones, but this time, we are seeing a major upgrade. The Nothing Phone 3A features a 50-megapixel primary sensor along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the 3A Pro takes things up a notch with a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, offering 3x optical zoom. The front camera on the 3A Pro has also been upgraded to 50-megapixel for high-resolution selfies. Initial camera samples show improved low-light performance, better HDR processing, and more refined color science. However, as we've seen with previous Nothing devices, software optimization will be crucial, and it may take a few months post-launch for the camera experience to fully mature. Battery life is another strong point here. Both devices pack a 5,000 mAh battery, which can easily last a full day of heavy use. Nothing has included 50W fast charging, ensuring that you can top up the battery quickly. While the latest silicon carbon battery tech is missing, the overall endurance should still be great for most users. Wireless charging is unfortunately not available, but given the price point, this isn't a deal breaker. One area where nothing has made improvements is durability. The Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro come with an IP64 rating, meaning they are resistant to dust and splashes, though they aren't fully waterproof. The stereo speakers have been improved for better audio quality, and Nothing OS now integrates better haptic feedback for a more premium feel. Finally, let's talk pricing. The Nothing Phone 3A is expected to start at around $249, while the 3A Pro will be priced slightly higher at $299. Given the features on offer, unique design, great display, clean software, and capable cameras, these phones offer tremendous value for money. If you are looking for a stylish and well-rounded mid-range device, the Nothing Phone 3A series should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.